Welcome back to another Daishinfinity video. In this video, we're going to talk about the factor rule, which states that any function given f of x multiplied by a constant k element of any real number except 0. Since 0, it will be just 0. The derivative of this expression is equal to the constant itself times the derivative of its own function. So let's try and prove this formula. Before we dive right in, we have to take in consideration the definition of a derivative. The definition of a derivative is f prime of x equaling the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. Now, since we have this limit definition, we can take in consideration and then put this as a whole thing and just write k times f prime of x. F of x prime is the same thing as a limit as h approaches 0 of k times f of x to x plus h minus k times f of x all over h. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to factor out the k, so we just have the limit as h approaches 0 of k times f of x plus h minus f of x and the whole thing over h. So now we have something times something, and the limit of something times something is the limit of the something times the limit of the something. Proof is in another video, so just look at the video of the limits. So we will have the limit as h approaches 0 of k times the limit as h approaches 0 of this expression. And now, since we have all of this, we can just state that this limit is equal to k, because k is just a constant, and a constant of a limit, the limit of a constant is just a constant by itself, and this is the definition of the derivative. So we'll have k times the derivative of x. And now we have proven this formula. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and follow for more, and we'll see us in the next Daishinfinity video. See ya.